I'm doing a DIY weight mod for this shift knob on a 2008 Porsche Cayman. I think they're probably all very similar. The primary trick to disassembling one of these things is to use one of these pry tools and carefully pry out the top cap. You don't want to break any of the little plastic tabs on here when you pry it out. So I pried from the front, right where the 3 is, to lift that out, and then it came out nicely. And then what you can see inside here is there are 2 T8 Torx. So if you have a T8 Torx bit, you can then remove those 2 screws, and then the plastic part drops off, and then you can fill it with tungsten putty.